Hi all, I am so excited that you're here because I have something super cool to announce to you. So as you know, I've been doing these tutorials for quite a few years now and helped so many people. And you know how many people I've helped? You know how many people have watched these videos? You want to know how many? A few days ago, this channel hit 4 million views. Oh my God, that's amazing. And it's all thanks to you guys. I mean, like, it's amazing that you've all gotten such value out of this channel that I started, years ago. It's awesome. I am just totally pumped. I think it's amazing. And to celebrate how awesome you are, I'm running a sweepstakes or a giveaway. So you don't have to pay for anything to enter. You don't have to buy anything. You don't have to sign up for anything, but you get 2 entries. And what you're going to have to do is you leave a comment below. I want you to tell me one of your favorite tutorials of mine, and I also want you to tell me why you like it, because I think this will make a really good resource for other people going through these tutorials or these comments and seeing other tutorials maybe that they missed or they want to go back and revisit. So I think this will be a really good resource. So you have you can do this twice. So your favorite video or one of your favorite videos and why you liked it. And also on Friday, this coming Friday, June the 5th at noon Pacific time, I'm going to be commenting on the 3 winners. So I'm going to be randomly selecting 3 winners out of all the comments, and I'll be commenting on your comment to tell you that you're a winner, because there's no way to message people anymore through YouTube, so I'll have to comment on your comment. So please turn on your notifications if you haven't already. I don't even know if you can turn them on. It might just be automatic. But anyway, that's how I'll be notifying people. And so I'll tell you how to contact me and claim your prize. So you'll be able to choose any pattern that you like, any single pattern out of my shop. So again, it's peacockandfig.com/shop if you want to go check it out. If you want some more information about the terms of this giveaway, you can go to peacockandfig.com/giveaway-terms. I'll put the link below as well. Basically, just this giveaway is not endorsed or affiliated with YouTube or with Instagram or Facebook or however you got here. Nothing to do with any of those platforms. I'm just celebrating the fact that clearly all of you are awesome, and I'd like to celebrate that with giving you some free patterns. So this Friday, June the 5th, at noon Pacific is when I'll be selecting the winners, so make sure you get your comments in before then. You have up to 2 entries, and that's pretty much it. I can't wait to see what you say. I'm just, again, so grateful that you all are here, that you all enjoy these videos, and I hope you have a fabulous day, and I can't wait to see what the winners choose. Bye for now!